Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Woocommerce updated, a PayPal business account, and the official plugin installed. Now open WordPress admin and go to Plugins. Activate Woocommerce PayPal payments. Once active, click Settings for that plugin so you can connect accounts. This step starts the secure link between your store and PayPal. It enables webhooks and dynamic payment buttons. Make sure to keep credentials handy, client ID and secret, because the next steps will require pasting them into the integration form. You now enter API credentials, client ID and secret into the plugin fields, then choose live or sandbox mode for testing versus production. Once done, set your store currency and decide capture type, authorize only or immediate capture, because this affects cash flow and refunds. Enable smart payment buttons for better checkout conversion. Make sure webhooks are created so payment statuses update automatically. Finally, enable the PayPal methods you want available. These choices control user experience and order lifecycle in Woocommerce. You finish by testing, perform sandbox transactions, and confirm orders move from pending to processing or completed. Verify webhooks and IPN are firing and that confirmation emails reach customers. This ensures automated state changes work. If everything passes, switch to live mode and run a small real transaction to confirm settlement. If things go wrong, re-enter credentials, toggle sandbox versus live, and clear any caching or CDN layers. These fixes resolve most connectivity and status sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.